Welcome back to the tutorial course on Android app development. In this lecture, we will continue discussing the application development process. In the previous lecture, we learned how to launch the splash screen and fetch locations using the GPS on the home screen. In this lecture, we will learn how to implement the remaining features of the home screen. We will implement the following functionalities on the home screen. Manually add a location. List already added locations. On the next slide, we will learn how to manually add a location. We need to open Android Studio. We will first learn how to manually add a location. We need to first open the Add Location fragment class and implement this feature on top of the existing view. We need to make changes in the fragment add location XML file to render the view. In the fragment add location XML file, we will add edit text to allow us to manually enter the location. In addition, we need a button to add the location to the list object where we're going to keep it. We will use an image view. We will arrange both in a relative layout. Let's run the application and see the results. We now again need to refer to the Add Location fragment class. First, we will inflate the view references by using the findViewById method. Load edit text. Entered location equals edit text location view dot find view by ID r.id dot enter location. Add location icon. Add location equals image view location view dot find view by ID r dot add location icon. We will now implement the click listener for the add location image view. To do this, we need to first implement the view dot onClick listener for the base class. Public class add location fragment extends fragment implements location listener view.onClickListener. We will now set the listener to the add location image view as addLocation.setOnClickListener, this. We now need to define the onClick method. We then need to add the text to be displayed in the entered location edit text to the location array on the click of add location icon. On the next slide, we will learn how to add a location list. Next, we will implement the location list functionality. In the fragment add location XML file, we need to add list view below the relative layout that contains edit text. On the next slide, we will learn how to add a location list adapter. We will first create a reference for list view. Location list equals list view location view dot find view by ID r dot id dot location list. We now need to set the adapter to supply data to list view. Inside the getView function, we need to inflate the list item. Layout inflator inflator equals layout inflator. mcontext.getSystemService context.layoutinflator_service. V equals inflator.inflate r.layout.listItem no. The inflator method contains the text view to display the location name as shown. On the next slide, we will learn how to add a location list. In the Add Location fragment class, we now need to set the adapter. Load list view. Location list equals list view location view dot find view by ID r.id dot location list. Adapter for list view. Location list adapter equals new location list adapter get activity r.id dot location list location array. Set the adapter to the list. Location list.setAdapter, location list adapter. We now have implemented the add location functionality. We only need to implement the onClick method with the following code. Location list adapter dot notify data set change. When we execute the application, we first see an empty list with edit text to enter the location at the top. Similarly, we can manually add different locations. This brings us to the end of our discussion on application development.